Alright, what's up YouTube? Got me some heated gloves. It's starting to get to be that time of the year. Got these on Amazon. I think they were about 80 bucks. Post a link in the description below. Attention, please full charge around 4 hours before using. Hand wash or machine wash. Must to put it into wash bag. Must to put it into wash bag. Okay, I think this was translated from some other language and not very well. Any quality or size problems, please email us freely. Dear buyer, if product doesn't meet your requirements, please keep the integrity of the product and return to us. All right, so it comes with heated gloves, 1 pair, battery pack, 2 pieces, dual battery charger, 1 piece, user menu, 1 set, portable bag, 1 piece. So I got 3XL, and using on the Amazon they had a picture where you using a measuring tape to go around your hand to see what size glove you need, and mine was smack dab in the middle of 3XL. And it seems like gloves are usually, for me, smaller than what they advertise. And it's got some, these are motorcycle gloves. They're not just winter warming gloves. It's got some armor in the knuckles there. Let's see how they feel. A little snug getting on. Oh, there's a strap here, that's why. So you can undo this to make it a little easier to get your hand in there. That's probably why it's a little tight. But it actually, it feels perfect. So if you follow the measurement instructions on Amazon, it actually fits perfect. It feels perfect. All right, so take that off. It is kind of weird. There's some spots on the glove. I don't know. Is that mold? I'm not sure what that is there. Might use something to clean them off. That might be mold. That's a little, little concerning. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but there is spots on the back side of this one and on the front side of that glove. So I'll use something to try to clean that off. I'm not sure what that is. All right, so here's the instructions or the user guide. Yeah, I don't need instructions. I guess this is the bag. It said it came with a carrying bag or a bag to put them in. And then I'm guessing here is probably the batteries and the charger. So looks like we're gonna have to charge these for 4 hours before we use them. Okay, it does have 2 leads. It said it could charge both batteries at once, so here's how it does it. And the batteries in the picture on Amazon kind of look like a GoPro battery, a little bigger. So here is the battery that goes inside the glove. And I forgot how long it said they last. I think it was 4 hours. It said, I don't know if that's on like high, medium, or low setting, or if there's multiple settings. I just need it to last for a 15-minute ride to work in the morning. That's it. So as long as it lasts that long, then I'll be good. All right, so these are the gloves. They feel comfortable. The only thing I have a little concern about is it looks like mold is on there, which is kind of weird. Other than that, I'll charge them up, try them out, and then do a review after this, how they work. All right, next time you're in a split second here, which will be probably a day later, will be the review. Have a good one, YouTube.
Good morning, YouTube. It is November 9th, 2020, Monday. And it's about 7:20, I think. And it's 28 degrees outside. So, It's going to be a good test this morning of my winter gear. My new gloves, my new override pants. Let's see how it does. So this will be a good test of my gear. This is probably close to as cold as it gets here in the morning. Maybe like 25 degrees, but this is a pretty cold morning for this area. So it'll be a good test to see how it does. I was gonna put a sweatshirt on underneath my my jacket, but we'll see how this jacket holds up by itself. I've also got the new crash bar installed. The skate bar, it's called, by Down and Dirty Fab out of Ohio, Nick Ortega. I really like the way it looks. I don't know how I always manage to bump my mirrors in the garage. Although I think Corey hit this one. She hit her head on it, helping me do the skate bar video. Well, so far it feels good. Right now, about the only thing that feels a little cool is right above my ankles. Probably just need to wear some thicker socks. My arms are feeling a little cold. Probably would have been good if I had put a sweatshirt on underneath my jacket. So far the hands feel good, but it's only been about a minute. Usually by the time I get to work, I can't feel my fingers. I might look at buying a little better winter jacket. Overpants are working nice. Usually my legs are really feeling it. So cold I can see my breath inside my helmet. I ordered some more neck warmers on Amazon, and also ordered a pullover type that covers the top of your head, your ears and stuff. Just because this helmet, I don't think it seals real well. I get a lot of cool air up above the eyes. I think it's coming through the, my vents are closed. I think it's coming through the face shield. I have one of those pullover things on right now, but it's pretty thin. But it seems to be helping better than nothing than wearing nothing. There we go. So this is totally bearable. I don't feel as miserable as I did a few weeks ago when it got down to like, I think it was 35 when I left for work. And without the overpants and without the heated gloves, I was pretty miserable. I feel pretty good right now. Hands still feel pretty good. I'm keeping it right about the speed limit, maybe 5 miles an hour over. I am having an issue with my mask, my face shield. It's not fogging up. I think what it is I do have that anti-fog spray, and it's actually condensation, I think, building up on it. But it doesn't look like fog. It just looks blurry. I think I've had this. I remember this happened last year, I think. So the fog spray keeps your mask from fogging, but the water still kind of accumulates there. I don't know. It's hard to explain. I'll crack it open. Woo, that's cold. Let's see if I can get that, whatever it is, to go away. Oh man, it's so cold. I almost can't breathe without my face shield. I don't know, I'll probably have people here watching that live in the Midwest and other parts of the country, and like 28 degrees is cold, you wuss. That helped a little bit opening the face shield up. I have another type mask that wraps around and velcros and goes over my nose, and it kind of shoots the, when I breathe out of my nose, it shoots the air down, and it helps with that anti-fogging thing. Maybe I'll put that on tomorrow and see if that helps with the water building up in here, moisture. Alright, I love these overpants. They were only $60, $59.99 on Amazon. They had a lot of reviews. I want to say it was in the thousands, but I could be wrong, and it was like 4.5 stars. Bunch of reviews saying they work great. People said that you were using them in 30-degree weather, 25-degree weather, rain. So they're working great for me right now. The only problem I'm having is my face shield. I think I just bumped my camera. That's weird. I put my mask up and I went to put it back down and it hit the GoPro. I must have bumped it when I opened it. It must not be that tight. Can't check that screw. One of the things on my list of gear to get is a better helmet. This is a pretty nice one. It's a Bell. It's the Eliminator, I think it's called. But I might go with a little nicer one. Yeah, I have to figure out that face shield thing. For some reason it seems to be more over my right eye. If I close my right eye, it looks clear. I'll just clean the face shield real good tomorrow and see what happens. Yeah, my hands are still feeling really nice. I mean, they don't feel warm, it just feels normal. I might be feeling a little bit cold on the fingertips, but not very much. Nothing like when I usually ride to work. Man, I wish I'd have had these overpants when I used to work graveyards. I have my chaps I wore, but there's parts that you're still exposed to the chaps that you can feel the cold, if you know what I mean. And that was cold and wet, because I'd be going through that marine layer almost every night, going to the hotel. These overpants also have armor in them, so they've got knee pads, I think, and hip pads, or armor, whatever you call it. So they're not just to keep you dry and to keep you warm. They're also protective. I really like them. Okay, I'll say these gloves definitely work. Definitely kept my hands warm. So a combination of the gloves and these hand guards, my hands feel fine. They're like maybe slightly cold, but not where they're numb. Actually, they're not even really that cold. I think they feel normal. I think it might just be my carpal tunnel bugging me. I don't know if you saw, there's a hot air balloon off in the distance. Wow, it's gotta be cold up there. I don't know if you get a lot of heat from it's probably actually get some heat from the what do you call it? I don't know if you can see it straight ahead. Alright, YouTube. The gloves worked, the pants worked. I feel warm, I don't feel cold. It goes to success. Till next time, ride safe.